Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do question number 8 of your textbook. Here is the question. Charmy Fashion Limited issued 1,20,000 10% debentures at the face value of rupees 200 each at a premium of 10%. So here premium per debenture is rupees 20, that is 10% of 200, that is 20. So here premium amount per debenture is rupees 20. Amount was payable as under with application rupees 100 including premium. Here the rate at the time of application is rupees 80 and premium amount is rupees 20 per debenture. So 80 plus 20, that comes to 100. So with application including premium, amount is rupees 100 per debenture, and the balance amount on allotment. That means at the time of allotment, amount per debenture is rupees 120. That is 200, that is the face value, minus rate at the time of application, that is rupees 80. So 200 minus 80, that comes to rupees 120. So 120 is the balance amount on allotment. Now these debentures are redeemable after 7 years. Application are received by company for 1,50,000 debentures, and the allotment of 1,20,000 debentures is made on pro rata basis. Here let us see the meaning of pro rata. Pro rata allotment refers to the allotment of debenture in proportion of the debenture applied for. When a company makes pro rata allotment, it adjusts the excess money received at the time of application, firstly towards the allotment and then towards calls. Now further it is given in the question, excess amount on application is credited to allotment account. Amount due on allotment is fully received. Here we have to pass journal entries on the issue of debentures in the books of company. So let us see first journal entry at the time of receipt of application money. Here bank account will be debited with the application money received, that is 1 crore 50 lakh. That is 1,50,000 debentures. That company received application for debentures. So 1,50,000 debentures multiply by rupees 100, that is the rate at the time of application including premium. So that comes to 1 crore 50 lakh. Now 10% debenture application account will be credited by rupees 1 crore 50 lakh. In narration, we will write being received application money on 1,50,000 debentures application at rupees 100 per debenture. Now we will pass second journal entry for the transfer of debenture application money to debenture account and premium account, and transfer of excess application money to debenture allotment account. So here 10% debenture application account will be debited, that is 1 crore 50 lakh, and 10% debenture account will be credited with the amount of application money on the allotted debentures, that is 1,20,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 80. 80 is the amount per debenture at the time of application excluding premium, that comes to 96 lakh. Then security premium reserve account will be credited by rupees 24 lakh. That is, here it is, that is number of debentures allotted that is 1,20,000 debentures, multiply by amount of premium per debenture called with application, that is rupees 20. So that comes to 24 lakh. Then now 10% debenture allotment account will be credited as excess debenture application money is adjusted. Here it is given in the question that excess amount on application is credited to allotment account. So here 10% debenture allotment account will be credited with the surplus application money on partially accepted applications. So here excess application received by the company for debentures, that is 30,000, that is 1,50,000. Company received applications for 1,50,000 debentures and company issued 1,20,000. So excess debenture application is 30,000 debentures. So 30,000 debentures will be multiplied by rupees 100. Rupees 100 is the rate at the time of application. So 30,000 multiplied by rupees 100, that comes to 30 lakh. So in this way, excess application money will be transferred to allotment account. In narration, we will write being money on debenture application transferred to debenture account and premium account, money on excess application transferred to debenture allotment account. Now, our next journal entry, when allotment money is made due. So here it is, 10% debenture allotment account will be debited by rupees 1 crore 44 lakh, that is 1,20,000 debentures at the rate of rupees 120. 120 is the rate called up at the allotment stage. So that comes to 1 crore 44 lakh, and 10% debenture account will be credited by rupees 1 crore 44 lakh. In narration, we will write being amount due on 1,20,000 debentures at rupees 120 per debenture at allotment stage called up. Now our next entry would be for receipt of allotment money. Here it is, as company is receiving the money, so bank balance of company will increase. So here bank account will be debited by rupees 1 crore 14 lakh. Here bank balance will increase at this stage, bank balance will increase by 1 crore 14 lakh, though 1 crore 44 lakh was made due at on allotment, because here rupees 30 lakh, that is excess amount on application, is already credited to allotment account. Here it is 30 lakh. So here out of 1 crore 44 lakh, 30 lakh is already credited to allotment account. So here at this stage, here bank account will be debited by rupees 1 crore 14 lakh only, that is 1 crore 44 lakh minus 30 lakh, that comes to 1 crore 14 lakh, and 10% debenture allotment account will be credited by rupees 1 crore 14 lakh. So here we have completed this question. Now let us understand question number 9th. Janki Marble Limited of Palanpur issued 50,000 11% debenture of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 20 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application. Applications were received by company for 60,000 debentures. Application for 10,000 debentures were rejected and the amount thereon was refunded to the applicants. Debentures were allotted to the remaining applications. Past journal entries for the above transactions in the books of Janki Marble Limited. So here are the journal entries Here first we will write heading journal entries in the books of Janki Marbles Limited. Here, as it is given in the question, that full amount was payable on application. So remember, when the full amount of the debentures is called up at the time of application, then that amount will be credited to debenture application and allotment account. So here, uh, on receipt of application money, we will pass journal entry, that is bank account will be debited by rupees 72 lakh, that is 60,000 debentures, multiply by rupees 120, that is 100, rupees 100, that is face value, plus rupees 20, that is amount of premium per debenture, that comes to rupees 120. So 60,000 multiplied by rupees 120, that comes to 72 lakhs. So here our journal entry would be bank account will be debited by rupees 72 lakh to 11% debenture application and allotment account. In the narration, we will write being receipt of application money on 60,000 debentures at rupees 120 per debenture. Now our second journal entry would be for at the time of transfer of debenture application money to debenture account and premium account and refund of on non-allotted 10,000 debentures. So here it is. So here our journal entry, 11% debenture application and allotment account will be debited by rupees 72 lakh and 11% debenture account will be credited with the amount of application money on the allotted debentures, that is 50,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 100, that comes to 50 lakh. And security premium reserve account will be credited by rupees 10 lakh, that is 50,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 20. Rupees 20 is the premium per debenture. So, and then bank account will be credited with the application money refunded on rejected applications, that is 10,000 debentures multiplied by rupees 120, that comes to 12 lakh. So here in this way journal entries will be passed in this situation. So I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you very much.